What's up? What's up? Epic as hell. What's up, guys? Damn, that intro gets me juiced up. Is it good? Do you like it? Good. Okay, guys, look. I look like a regular dude right now, right? Till I turn my head, it looks like... Look at that. God. I wore a hat today. Hat head. What's up, guys? What's good? We'll get started. Oh, that's me. What the hell? Damn. XDC, baby. Roberto. You like that XDC? Hey guys, I've been editing that HBAR video all goddamn day. I'm tired. But I got the energies, man. Send me the energies. Send me the vibes. Come on. I'm waiting for it. Come on. There we go. What's up, guys? How you guys doing? If you guys are new, this is Crypto Kickback. We kick back. We talk crypto. Get it? Got it? Okay, cool. What are you guys drinking? What's good? Wan Moon? Yes, Wan Moon. Hey, man, like, everyone was like, God damn, so depressed about crypto. God, guys are tripping. Oh, I only got 2 people on here now. What the hell? I didn't like the intro. You guys like the intro? I like the intro. Gets me all juiced up. Different strokes for different folks. How's the stream quality? I prayed to the Wi-Fi Jesus. I don't know. I'm gonna hit the coins real quick, but like, you know, let me get all settled in, man. I gotta get settled in. Crypto news, macro trends. What's up, my man? How you been? Did you buy? What's up? How's it going? Hey, you guys like the DigiBuy video? Was good? I have fun doing it. I'm forward you DigiBiters too. LOL. All love. Oh, I'm F with you DigiBiters too. Hey, you guys gotta play nice. You gotta be in my chat. You gotta play nice. I got a whole bunch of people here, man. I got people from all kinds of blockchains and stuff. We're an eclectic group. We all can make money. All money's green. What's good? 3 people. Where's the Cosmos homies? Well, I know Crypto CEO is doing something today. He's kind of the Cosmos dude, so you know they're over there probably. It's all good. What's up? You guys remember that? We're gonna get going, guys. Crypto and coffee, pretty laid back. We talk about crypto. I take suggestions and stuff. I'll try to come back. You know, WAN, XDC. I remember that. But we're gonna go over some macro charts too. Yeah, macro charts, and I think things are looking a little better, giving me a better understanding of what's going on here. I mean, it was kind of like, you know, everyone was it was questionable, right? It was questionable, to say the least. Is that fair? Fair assessment? But now, you know, as investors, we don't predict. We look at evidence and then adjust our plan as that evidence presents itself to us. 3 people, what's up? 3 people? Shoot. Where everyone at? 4 people. There we go. There they are. Ah, shit. The man, the myth, the legend himself. Is that what they call me now? That's nice. They used to call me other things too. What up, Wolfpack? Fire Week video. I can't even read. Fire Week of videos, Dub. The BTC is telling a story of higher lows and specific price point fluctuations. Thoughts? I got thoughts. We're going to look at it. Steel cage match. Larimer versus Bloomer. versus Hoskinson and Vitalik. Nah, man. Vitalik can move shit with his mind, dude. He'd be like, lift shit up. He's like Magneto, man. Vitalik, he's boss. He's on the boss. He's the last boss, man. He's the last boss. But Larimer though. Larimer got a puncher's chance. Bloomer looks like he's like I don't know. He's more strategy. It's more strategy. He's finesse. Hoskinson, he comes with thunder, dude. Hoskinson. So I do this thing where I'm like head of project versus head of project. Okay, in high school I used to do like what animal would win in a fight. That's how I like pass my time. As I grow up, I just insert head of project. Same shit, man. What's up? 6 people. What's good? We're gonna get into the good stuff, guys. Chill out. Just let me vibe. Let me vibe for a second. Hope Dub ready for the big mug days in the near future. I got a medium mug right now. Will it go up? Will it go down? Will it go up or will it go down? That's the question everyone's asking themselves. 6 people, what's up? I think mad dope. We have other chains EOS. Happy I came across it and Icon and Cosmos. Guys, I got to tell you about this. Cosmos. No, not Cosmos. Sorry. I like Cosmos, but it's not about Cosmos. It's about Icon, ICX. Guys, they're doing like mad airdrops. They're doing one for their balance network. If you're staking and delegate your stake to like a P-rep on Icon, you get like weekly airdrips. It's called an airdrip over like weeks for their balance network, which is like the DEX. Kind of like Osmosis is the Cosmos right now. I was in that before Osmosis, to be honest. And then there's another one called OMM, which is like the money market on Icon. Every week you get those 2 airdrips, and there's going to be more on the way. So, if you got some Icon, you should be. I took longer than I should have to delegate to a P stake, but or P rep. But check that out. Check it out. 9 people. What's good? What up? Bullish. I like it. Humble, my dude. What's good? Can you talk about the EOS Chintai play? See, man, I haven't done the update yet for EOS. Next week. I was gonna do it next week. Now, I'm not well versed. I've been seeing it, man. But I'm focused on HBAR today. You know what I'm saying? That sucks. This is the sucky part about like covering so many chains, but I like it. But you know what I'm saying? I'm not like first to find out about it. I didn't see the intro. The system kind of spazzed out for a minute. Oh, are you serious? Damn. You serious? I took all this time making the intro. God damn it. So no one's been seeing my intro? Is that why people dropped off? Probably. The Cosmos interview was good. Hop or hope they come through. Chop it up. Yeah, man. It was good, right? Cryptocito, knowledgeable guy. It was good. Gravity Dex coming through. What is the 17th or the 25th or some shit like that? Yeah, Gravity Dex, man. That's going to be dropping soon. That's a big deal for Cosmos. The people's champ. Thanks, man. I'm doing it for the people. 7 people, what's good? We touch 26K for Bitcoin soon, or we gone? Why are those my only 2 choices, man? Why are you trying to make me pick like 2 choices like that? We chilling. Dub, Garden, Squirrel versus Doge Dog. Squirrel Squad. Hey, screw that squirrel, man. Hey, stop talking about a squirrel. Shit. Didn't you have an HBAR video? Yeah, I'm doing it now. I actually stopped it to do this. I'm trying to get out tonight. But like I've been doing it all goddamn day. All day. But it's hot. It's a good one. So guys, yeah, my videos are cool and everything, but it takes a long time to do them because I process the shit out of them. So like, give me a second. It's gonna be up. 8 people. What's good? Heard you HBAR, and last one, and I'll get going. We all need to look at meld together, bro. Okay. We'll look at it. Hey, oh yeah. Hey, so did I tell you guys about the LaMelo Ball, like NFT, the dynamic NFT? Well, Damn, that's so sick. I finally like saw it in OpenSea, but today's video, or hopefully today's video for HBAR, talking about Galaxy, which is Spencer Dinwiddie's platform on HBAR, like tokenizing communities and stuff. He's got Iman Shumpert already signed up for that, man, and a couple NFL players. So like, I'm thinking they're gonna do something similar. That'd be so dope. That might be like the next craze to make NFTs blow up. Is like fractional ownership in players' careers or celebrities or musicians' careers. I've been reading about Galaxy today. It's hot. I like it. Right on, man. Man, YouTube be acting. Man, YouTube be acting for me. Sad. Don't be sad, man. Don't be sad. It's all good. I'm using IconFi and freaked out because I thought I wasn't gonna get the airdrop or drop, but they built it to add support for Balance, Ohm, and Ice. Yeah, Ice is another one that's going to be airdrop 1-to-1, guys. Icon's about to release a whole bunch of airdrops. Airdrips every week, airdrops, Ice for 1-to-1, which is EV compatible coin, or I guess Ethereum. I don't know. You know what I'm saying? They're going to be dropping a whole bunch. I'm excited for that. And it's like what's Icon, like 80 cents right now? 90 cents? Dinwiddie been a crypto head. Good. Got a big old head. Just kidding. I can't be talking. I got my hair look smushed down like this and shit. Okay. Litecoin. I got this shirt from the first Litecoin Summit, San Francisco, 2018. Why I tell you guys that? I don't know. Let's share. Let's talk about it. I'm going to share my screen. 8 people. What's good? Okay. Oh, I don't even have Bitcoin up yet. What? My bad. I thought I was all ready to go. No, wrong one. BTC, USD. Let's get 8 people. Like that. Whoa. Okay, guys. So this is the Bitcoin price. You know, we went up really high. Now we came down really low. Okay, now you're up to date. That's kind of what Bitcoin does, guys. You know, Bitcoin does that. Like, people are freaking out like Bitcoin doesn't go up and down. Like, that's Bitcoin's entire thing is going up and down. Let me know how the stream quality is. Is it better? Hopefully. Let me get stretched before we get going, guys. Let's get some stretches in. Come on. Pool circles. Pool circles. Man, come on. Be a team player. Let's go. You guys warmed up? Let's do it. So check it out. Bitcoin, I'm going to say it again. Oh, okay. Let's do the weekly here. Let's do the weekly. It looks better in the weekly. The shit came down from 65,000. The lowest point was 55% down at 29,000 or whatever. Was it 28? Close enough, right? At least on the weekly. The last time I felt like this, all scared and shit, was right here, March 2020. This thing came down, 63%, maybe a little less. Okay, so like, in case people are saying this has never happened before, that's not true. Okay, this has happened before. And in fact, this happened approximately 434 days ago. I remember it. I was scared as hell. I felt a lot like how I felt like a month ago or whatever. How long was it? May? Yeah, a month ago about. But guys, like, let's be real. Bitcoin goes up and down. It periods of overvaluation, undervaluation, overvaluation, undervaluation. Nothing goes up in a straight line, because if that was true, then Bitcoin would just be going like this. Do you guys see a straight line on this chart? No. I do see, however, drawdowns along the way in 2017, like 30% or so. DubDigital, these drawdowns are harder than that. Yeah, okay, well, okay. Sometimes shit's different than, like, it's not always the same, you know? But like, look, let me go in the daily. You'll see it a little better. Look, right before the big run up, November 2017, there was approximately a drawdown that lasted about 5 days. Bullshit. Let's see. I guess it was 5 days. It was way more condensed. right? But a large drawdown, people got all scared and stuff, and then it ran up approximately, I can't even see it. What was that? 230%. Okay, so Bitcoin 20,000. When it's coming down, it was Bitcoin 5,000. Okay, when this thing crashed down in March 2020, Bitcoin came down 5,000. Look, people thought Bitcoin 5,000 was the top and it was coming down into an extended bear market. Then, fast forward 3 years, Bitcoin comes down from 10,000 to 5,000, and people think that like, oh shoot, 5,000 is ridiculous. It's the end of Bitcoin. But if you go back 3 years, people couldn't believe it hit 5,000. And then it went up like farther than that, right? So everything's relative, guys. And now people couldn't believe that Bitcoin ran up to 65,000, right? And then it came back down to 30,000. We're still at freaking 30,000 bucks, guys. I remember a time when Bitcoin was 100 bucks. I can't believe, get out of here, Lenovo guy. I cannot believe that Bitcoin is still at 33,000 bucks. Okay? And everyone says, well, okay, but we've retraced 50%. Well, did you expect it to just go to 65 to 70 to 80 to 100 to 200? No, there's nothing, no asset's done that in history before. We're just giving some back. And as time goes on, you'll see that this wasn't a straight shot down. It's a rounding out pattern. Will we come down a little more? That's possible. I mean, we have some wicks down here at 28,000. Can it breach down here? Yeah. But look, it's rounding out. It's showing us that bull pattern. What are bull patterns? Patterns of accumulation and consolidation. Okay? So as time goes on and this thing doesn't go as vertical as everyone thought it was, they're getting more and more confidence. People are starting to be a little more bullish on crypto. Sneak back in here. This is the psychology of accumulation. There's a reason people don't all buy the dip, because they're scared. If it was easy getting rich, everyone would be rich. Then how come there's not that many rich people running around? Because it's a hard thing to do. You have to override a couple things. If you're trying to time the bottom, I'll tell you, you'll probably be unsuccessful in doing that. If you dollar cost average, then you'll pick up some on the lows and you'll make profits when it goes up. Not financial advice, but y'all know what I'm saying. I really doubt that this is the top for Bitcoin. What time will it play out? I don't know. Can it be in a couple months? Yeah, sure. You know, but like, y'all know how I get down. I'm not exactly a day trader. You know, I'm more of a kind of like a macro. I don't even know what I am, but you know what I'm saying. I believe in the 4-year cycle. Based on the 4-year cycle, can it be a little different? Can it stray from a couple months here and there? Yeah, we've had cycles that ended in October. We have cycles that ended in January of the next year. Can it be possible that Bitcoin's extending in this cycle a little bit? Yeah, but I wouldn't say years. I would say maybe a quarter, couple months. Okay? So going off the 4-year cycle, we still got about 175 days to go. Just to give you guys some perspective, this big old blow off, when Bitcoin is stuck under what, 10,000 bucks, 11,000 bucks, it took Bitcoin approximately 177 days to run up about 500%. So if we were stuck in a similar situation like that, right? What would 500% from this point be looking like? I gotta go like this. That'd put Bitcoin at about almost $200,000. Okay. And if we zoom back out to 2017, you'll notice that, look, this second leg has historically always been bigger, a bigger impulse than the one we previously experienced in the first half of the bull. So what I'm saying to you is this. I know how it feels, and people are saying, oh, dang, like Bitcoin can never get up there. The growth has been anemic. We're probably towards the top. I'll tell you, anyone's been through a cycle before knows that the last one is crazy. Every single time I open my Blockfolio, price was going up. I felt like a rapper and shit. I'm telling you guys, not financial advice, but I'm telling you guys, this hysteria that happened, it's not the hysteria that signifies the end of the bull run. It's way bigger than that. Way bigger than that. And you guys know, and I'm not teetering from my thought, that Bitcoin is probably going somewhere up here. Will it be in 2020? Will it be first Quarter 2022, I'm not sure. I'm not sure. And the people who jump in, jump out, oh, you don't know what you're talking, because they're just not that, they're not that okay with uncertainty. But we're working and navigating an uncertain market. This thing's only damn near 10 years old. ain't no pros out here on anything. You know what I'm saying? So like, we're still trying to find out what's going on with the market dynamic and how these things vary from cycle to cycle. We've only had a couple cycles to really study. I'm telling you this. Can it go down a couple $1,000? Yeah. Can it go up? Yes. But I think the ultimate macro trend of Bitcoin is up. And if Bitcoin goes up, what happens to alts, y'all? Alts go up. And you guys know I'm an altcoin channel because I believe that alts will go up higher because they're smaller market cap. What do you guys think? 13 people. What do you think? Crypto Dinwiddie, crypto head. What do you think? You don't think? You guys don't think? Well, check it out. We could look at another chart. Let's just get out of the way, right? Then I could just chop it up. 12 people, what's up? This is Total 2 Index. This is the altcoin market cap. All the money wrapped up in all your favorite altcoins, okay? Last all-time high, 2017, was 476 billion. We've dwarfed that already. We dwarfed that within, what is that, 4 months? About 4 months? This thing ran up. Freaking hardcore. 630% about. From the last cycle high to the ultimate top in the wick, we went up about 212%, hitting upwards of $1.5 trillion. Guys, the last market cap with Bitcoin and altcoins all wrapped it together didn't hit $1 trillion. Now altcoins did it by themselves. Is that not bullish to you? 12 people, it's good. Y'all know what I'm saying. Now we had a crash, right? We fell out of this triangle, and I think we're in like this channel thing, right? Okay. I zoom up, and I see this fractal triangle just forming out here, right? So like we were in another triangle, then we broke up above that. What we got to really watch out for the altcoin market cap, though, is this area of control right here. This is where the most selling is occurring. So this is the biggest sticking point. Once you get above, it's going to be much easier to blow past because there's less sell volume. We do have some declining volume here, but notice something. We keep going closer and closer to this area of control at 864 billion. Okay? The more times we approach that area, even if we get rejected, as long as we keep attempting, the probability of going beyond that point gets larger and larger. And once we get past that point, then we can really start looking at grinding back up towards this 1 trillion. And once we go above that, that'll be price discovery. Well, DubDigital, how do you know it's just not going to fall down to death? Because this is where, are you a macro bull or a macro bear? Pick a side, pick a lane. I'm a macro bull. Why? Because I've seen a couple cycles play out. And I would be a fool to ignore what I've seen with my own damn eyes. 10 people, what's up? You know what I'm saying? Last chart. Let's check out this. Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance chart goes down. That means money's flowing out of Bitcoin into altcoins or stable coins. It's going up. It means money's flowing into Bitcoin from altcoins. Okay. I was sitting over here saying that, hey, Bitcoin dominance wants to drop. I mean, that's been the overall trend ever since 2015. Bitcoin dominance sitting at almost 99%. 2016 drops down to 96%. End of 2017, big drop. Watershed moment we've never seen before. Bitcoin dominance drops down to 36%, meaning a whole bunch of money in Bitcoin flooded into altcoins. Rose up over the bear market. 2020 comes around, starts dropping down again. So think of this like water, guys. Like the overall trend is down, and that's why I drew this line across the chart here. If you plotted all these points into Excel, it would, and you put the trend function, it would show a downward sloping trend. The trend is your friend. And if you know over time, Bitcoin dominance continually drops down to new lower lows, wouldn't it make sense to position your portfolio in a way that benefited from that? That's my whole thesis on this channel. You know, Bitcoin dominance dropped down from 61% in April 2021 all the way down about 33% to 40%. Right when everyone was saying, oh, altcoins are dead. Nah, that happened. It only took about a month and a half. Now, with that said, I was saying we're going to get a bounce at some point, right? Because things just don't drop down all the way straight line. Nothing does. So we hit like a significant sticking point established in May of 2018. You see how it bounced right off there? And Bitcoin started climbing because we started crashing. Y'all know what happens when crypto starts crashing. People sell their alts to get into Bitcoin. So this makes sense. Started climbing up and it broke out. But now it's falling back down. And if we zoom up, it's not just falling down and retesting this triangle. It's falling into the triangle, showing you that this might have been a false, a false break up, because this is a descending triangle. Okay? So if we keep falling down, that means alts are gaining. Then we're going to hit this again. Will we have another bounce? Every time it touches that, the probability of it falling through gets greater and greater. And you guys know that I've been calling for this cycle a new low on the Bitcoin dominance. Because when you think about it, let me go there. I'm all preachy today, guys. When you think about it, over time, as the digital economy builds out, money that was in Bitcoin is going to be squeezed and flow down, trickle down to other areas of the economy that are needed to function, right? Like Bitcoin, DeFi platforms are useful. Fractionalized real estate is useful. Application layers are useful. Turning complete protocols are useful. These are all useful things that Bitcoin Core, Bitcoin Core doesn't address. So if you really want an alternative economy to the legacy banking system, you're going to need something that functions as a bond. You're going to need something that pays like interest, dividends to like stake to depositors. You're going to need everything that makes banks obsolete, because there's not just gold in the economy. There used to be. That was the feudal system, and there was kings and peasants and shit. We're not doing that right now. So it makes sense when you really think about it that everything else would start to flourish as the economy got more mature. What do you guys think? I don't know. 14 people. What's good? What up, DD? What's your take on Kava? You guys don't care about that. Okay. Hey, hold up. XDC? Had a couple of them. Is that too nerdy? Nah, I get it. XDC down 8%, sitting at 9 cents. What the hell? Why did it do this? Just popped up like that? Caught some volume. That's interesting. Well, it had a W pattern here. But like this, I would expect it to come back down a little bit, right? Because that's a pretty extended like run. I would think this thing's gonna like over time form like a triangle, then have a mad breakup. But I don't think it's like, look at that. That's an air pocket right there. Could probably come catch it down at 7.5 cents. I wouldn't chase it. I would let it come back to get me, if anything. You know what I'm saying? But interesting. What else? Let me catch up. Wan Moon. And I'm trying to catch up on my videos, guys. Wan 60 cents, looking like a bag of milk. 15 people, what's good? Is that a husky with a dog on its head? It's a dog on a dog. 60 cents. Wan's bleeding. Wan looks a lot like freaking Icon, though. Wan and Icon are so correlated, it's stupid. Yeah. But look, it's not just going down to death, it's going off the page like freaking FNX. No offense, FNX. It's rounding out, it's flattening out, okay? I don't think Wan's done. I don't think Icon's done. These are just small caps, guys. They're small caps. They're really volatile. They go up high, they come down low. But I still hold all my WAN. I'm still farming all the WASP. You know what I'm saying? I'm waiting for that epic move, because unless you guys know something I don't, They still have that partnership with China State Grid. It's the biggest utility company in the world, one of the biggest employers in the world. Did everyone forget that? I don't know. I don't forget nothing. What else? What else we got? Is ICE a new coin? I looked it up. It shows $2.3, but it shows 2.313. It's not even released yet. It hasn't even been airdropped. It has a price. 16 people. What's good? The stream quality is good, but is YouTube is acting funny. Freaking YouTube. I'm in. Cool shades, cool guy emoji. I like it. 15 people was good. Sorry for the spelling, brother. It's okay, man. I can't spell for shit. Stay off the ice, brah. Dog the bounty hunter voice. Don't tell me what to do. It's collapsing. The what? The what's collapsing? YouTube keeps freezing. Looks like we're going back to 30K. So the hell what? Guys, we're not that far away from 30K. What are we at, 33K right now? Who gives a shit, man? Like, who cares? Who cares? Who cares? It's not that far away. As long as we go up over the next months, I'm chilling. This is the thing where you guys can't sweat this, man. Like, you see how it's wearing you out? It's wearing you out right now. It's mentally getting you. That's what they want. They want to exhaust you. They want you to drop it. I want you to drop that shit right in their lap. That's why they call me the people's champ. People's champ, guys. Look, if it's getting down on you, like, hopefully you didn't invest a whole bunch of money that you need, like, ASAP. But if it's getting you down and, it's not house, like, you're playing with house money or money that you don't need to see right away, take a break, man. Go outside. Look at the butterflies and shit. Birds. Rats. Depending on where you live. Just take a break, man. Like, it's gonna mentally fry your brain. I mean, during the bear market, there's times where, like, it was making me go insane. I went on spans of, like, months not looking at it. I got caught because it started going up and I was doing that shit. But it made me aware, like, you got to retreat sometimes for your mental well-being. Like, this is also a mental health thing. DubDigital, my money's in it. Yeah, mine is too. So, guys, look, we looked at the cycles. Right? Bitcoin, from cycle to cycle, typically goes higher and not just like 1x higher or 2x higher. Right now, we only hit 3x higher. But the cycle before, the 2 cycles before in comparison, was 20x higher. Right? So, like, at least a 10x higher. That's why I'm saying 200,000, 250,000 to BTC. Will I be wrong? I don't know. I don't think so, though. Let's see. Ha 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 ha. Ice. Fake bulls. Dab Master, what's good? Y'all better bow down to the Dab Master. What up, Wolf Pack? Nothing much, man. How the doggies? What did you dub? Dab? You got a dab? Oh, Dab Master. Dab Master. Hit us with a dab, man. What up, Dab Master? Dude, are you guys friends now? We're making long lasting, life lasting friendships in here. Friends are forever, guys. Friends are forever. Cheers. Cheers. Let's talk about it. About to go eat dinner. I'll be back. You going to Nobu? 17 was fun. 2017 was the freaking bomb, guys. I had a fucking blast. I shouldn't say it. I shouldn't say that. I'm sorry, YouTube. Forgive me for my sins. 17 was learning experience for me. I was rich before I was wrecked. That's how I feel. It's true, guys. Man, at the peak of 2017, I was sitting there like, I was like, at my desk. My boss was like, hey, you got to do this. I'm like, shut up. Yeah, shut up. And then a couple months later, I was like, I'm sorry. I was feeling lazy as hell. I'll tell you that. Me too, Dad. Let's talk. Dub, do you hold any Cardano? Yeah, man. I have some Cardano. It bought me this stationary bike right here. Been working on my fitness. Let's see. ADA. ADA's been showing strength though. Showing some strength and a half. Let's look at it. Well, the volume's coming down. I mean, but dang, man, like, unless this is a very delayed reaction, I don't know if this is like Hex-like movement. Staying above the all-time high when everything else came crashing down, man. So, like, this is showing some major strength. Major strength. What's it at? $1.39? Man, I remember when it was in the 10 cents. I think I picked mine up like 14 cents. Buy low, sell high. ADA is looking hot. Looking hot. I think everyone's staking it. You know? Bull here? That's right. That's right. Bullish. I'll be in Puerto Rico drinking my drinks out of pineapples and coconuts. Hey. Fire. Absolute facts. BTC is going down. Very good. You scared? Go to church. LOL. Waffler, why? Ghost, smile. Okay, we can look at Ghost. Let's see it. Ghost, 61 cents. Wow. Up 23%. You talked about this one last time, man. Dang. I like that, man. That's a good call. I was saying that it might be a slow climber, but maybe not. Maybe not. Volume coming in? It must be big buys because it's not like a crazy amount of volume. So someone's buying it up. That's awesome, man. What's the supply? 55. Is this McAfee? McAfee? Dang. My wife was clowning me because I said it wrong, but I still don't know how to say it right. I should. This is coin, right? You guys want to know about it? Look at the last stream. We talked about it, but that's awesome, dude. I'm glad. Big gains, big games. You know, guys, like if this is a bear market, though, from a guy who's been through a bear market, like why are their altcoins going up 20%, 30%? Like why are their altcoins staying above their all-time highs? Like in a macro bear market, everything gets drugged down. It's like cataclysmic. It's scary as shit. Okay, so like it's not like, oh, some are doing better and no. Macro bear, everything down. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. You're wrecked. You know what I'm saying? 18 people, it's good. Always grateful for your service. Do you own VeChain? Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Journey to health, wealth, love. Those are the three, man. Those are the three. VeChain, I don't own any VeChain, but we can look at VeChain. Why? Because I remember in 2020, I just didn't pull the trigger. I had a whole bunch of coins at the time, and I was like, damn, man, like, I don't know. How many coins am I going to have, you know? But VeChain, I mean, damn, this thing came down real hard. What's it? Well, it hit 25 cents. Now it's sitting at 8 cents. Wow. I mean, hey, if you guys want a VeChain and you didn't want to buy it up here, this is a big old correction and a half. It's like 60% correction. Is it? I can't do math. Cheers to not being able to do math. 18 people is good. I mean, like, look, it's not that I don't want VeChain. I don't believe in what VeChain is doing. I think supply chain management is a huge issue. I used to work in supply chain management, my last job. I worked at like aerospace company, defense company. Dude, that is a industry ripe to get modernized. You won't believe the amount of runaround and wasted time we got to deal with just because we don't know where anything is. I'm going to be real. They don't. They put up a good game, dude. They don't know what's going on. You know, so like anything that allows better tracking, anything that allows, I mean, China's implementing it. In China, Walmart, maybe Sam's Club. I haven't followed up like that. But okay, either it's going to work well and China's going to implement it all over China, and China's huge. Or it works well and Walmart uses it and implements it all over the world. Or it works good for Sam's. You know what I'm saying? Like all VeChain has to do is perform. If VeChain is half of the things its supporters say it is, it's probably going to get adopted in a wider sense. It was just a thing of like, I buy low, sell high. I don't buy high, hope to sell higher. That's not my thing, you know? 16 people, what's up? Dubby, what's good? Crypto Karaoke, how you been? It's 170 degrees out here, Dub. Ain't no butterflies. This shit melt your eyebrows off. In Vegas, dude, it's hotter than when I went. It was 115 when I went. Bro, that could cook somebody, right? Institutional dollars, I think, feel the same way about Bitcoin altcoin flip. They are more interested in the alt return. If Bitcoin goes to 30,000, that's still keeping bullish structure. Hey, if Bitcoin goes to 20,000, it's still keeping bullish structure. It's just a resistance support flip on the last cycle high. That's what I've been saying to people. Like everyone's talking about 30,000 like it's the line in the sand. No, 20,000 is a line in the sand. Resistance support flip. Right? I would hate it. But, you know, hey, 30,000 is the area where it's like, it's the next stop is 20,000. 30,000 is just that spot that's freaking everyone out. But it's not like the stop. It's just a signal that it might go to the worst case scenario. You know what I'm saying? 14 people, they don't like it. They can't handle it. DBLR. What the hell is that, man? Is that a coin? DBLR. The hell is that? DBL? I don't know what that is. You gotta clarify, man. Hit the likes, guys. Dad Master's telling you that at dinner. Dad Master, go eat with your wife, man. I'm about fitness. Fitness Digibyte in my wallet. I like fitness. I like Digibyte. I like both at the same time too. 18 people. It's good. How you guys like that Digibyte video? It was good. XPRT? Question mark. What is it doing? I haven't looked in a while. $8 down 2%. Grinding down. Hey, it's okay, guys. I mean, look, XPRT might be a coin for next cycle. And I say that is because like people who are holding this thing, they got a long horizon because they're paying 35% over 2 years. And then they're airdropping a bunch of stuff like Luna is. Like they're gonna drop the interest down from 35% after the 2 years to 17%. But then they're gonna start airdropping you stuff like stablecoin, like other things built on the persistence blockchain or the ecosystem. Like Luna does. Luna got a whole bunch of airdrops coming over the next 2 years. XPRT's lining up to do that in about a year or so. So like, yeah, you can hope for the price appreciation on XPRT, or you could just like set it and forget it. You know what I'm saying? So like, I think a lot of people, it's so new. It's only on a couple exchanges. It's so new. Gate.io and Xendix X Bitmax. Nothing. And look, the volume is like under $1 million. It's like $800,000. And then there's osmosis. No one even knows about this shit. They can't even get it. If you have osmosis, then you're one of the few people who know about that, right? It's still paying like, I think my liquidity pool was still paying like 400%. I started it at 7,000%. I love it. I love it. 19 people, it's good. Hey guys, been good? Chilling. Stream. I can't be saying it. Down? Question mark? John, you gotta put more words, man. Gotta put more words. Hey, yo. Chill. Damn, man. I hate that coin. Bro, holding 10K XRP is a big deal? Not XRP being a 10K, but holding 10K. Yeah, I mean, I guess so. I mean, that seems like a good number. You know? I think XRP is gonna, well, you know what? Let's pull it up. I got a freaking screen here. I gotta look at XRP. Let's see it. Oh yeah, share. I gotta share. 17 people, it's good. I mean, look, guys, XRP got to what, $1.83 in the face of like right before the lawsuit. This thing was going up, son. It was going up. It was going down in a good way. Got drugged down. But this is not because XRP as a product is bad. It's because it's facing regulatory concerns. But as time goes on, I'm less sure that the SEC is going to pull this out. They haven't nailed them down yet. It's been a long ass time. And the judge, if you're following this thing, is denying the SEC like access to Garlinghouse's like financial records unrelated to XRP sales. Like they're asking for all this stuff that's not connected. The judge is like, hey. What does that got to do with this? That is not the tone that I think most people thought the judge would take. So as time goes on and the SEC is unable to win this, what happens if XRP beats the SEC in this lawsuit? Can you say bullish crypto? Because then it's showing people that the SEC is not going to be able to come through and just manhandle any coin. That's gonna be probably one of the most bullish things for cryptocurrency that could happen. Okay, but like as far as 10,000 XRP, what's the supply on this thing? 100 billion. Let's just do the math, man. Okay, that's 100 billion, right? I think, yeah. Divided by 1 million. Okay, so you wouldn't be in the 1 million club, but you would be in the, damn, how come I can't do this? 10 million club? Yeah, 10 million club. That's still pretty good. That's a good amount of the chain. If XRP, did the 10x thing at $30, I mean, $30, that's still a lot, but like that would get you approximately, just because I use that as a measuring stick for most of my stuff, 30 times 10,000. That'd be $300,000. I mean, you can get a good, in many states, you can get a pretty okay house for that. Not in Cali, but you know what I'm saying. Hey, I think that's pretty significant. I think it would change some people's lives. So you could use that money, right? 117 in Vegas is like 90 in Washington State. Only way more bearable. I'd much rather have 117 in the desert than 90 with 85% humidity like we get here on hot days. I don't know, man. I was all up in Vegas. That shit was burning me. I was melting, man. I was like, what is this? I'm from like, I'm not from, but I've worked in the San Fernando Valley, which is one of the hottest places in California. 104 is like normal. I'm okay with that. You start going over 110, I'm like, holy, this is different. Damn, it's almost like Sudan, like weather and stuff. Probably, hey, you see like a lion walking across the street or some shit. Where's that lion come from? Morning from Tokyo. Hey, what's up? How hot is it in Tokyo? Is it hot in Tokyo? No? Yes? 30K in the line of the sand because it's the neckline of the Head and Shoulders. Well, yeah, but it would retrace down to like 20K, right? Pretty sure. Let's check it out. Whoa there. Okay. Sharon. 13 people. It's good. Yep. Yeah, I mean, and the restaurant here is a big old air pocket. Look at that. That's what everyone's scared of, guys. That's why everyone's freaking out right now, because we're teetering, we're dipping, we're moving, we're going up, we're going down, we're going up. Is making people nervous, because essentially this is like it could overperform a little bit, but like it's like a 34% drop from here, right? That would decimate altcoins. That's why like the altcoins drop so much, because people know how altcoins move in the face of Bitcoin catastrophe. I'm over it. You know, like, let's do it. Whatever's gonna happen, let's get it over with. Let's keep going up. Look, guys, like, look, I ain't got no. This is what I'm doing. This is the path I chose. I'm in it for the long haul. I gotta put up whatever happens. Watch your wallet video. Exodus, the software, and not a cold wallet. Oh yeah, I didn't put in Exodus. My bad. Ledger, a hardware wallet. Therefore, a cold wallet. Fork complain Ledger is difficult. Folks complain Ledger is difficult. As a newbie, I don't mind. Which to use for HBAR? Cosmos. Okay, so a couple questions here. If you guys haven't watched my I guess hardware wallet big crypto security video, make sure to watch that if you don't know about that. I try to put it. I think I did a pretty good job explaining what's up. Exodus is a software wallet. Yes, so it is like software. It's considered hot because it's connected to the internet. However, you can use, I believe, Exodus with Trezor. So you can store coins like on your Exodus wallet, but then you can link it up with Trezor to sign transactions. Therefore, no one can really send your coins off of it. So you can use it in tandem. There's a couple wallets that do that. Ledger is a hardware wallet, and it's a cold wallet, correct? Right? Trezor and Ledger have like devices in like a secure chip that prevents your private keys from being exposed to the internet. The only way you can actually sign transactions if you physically press the button on your device. Okay, and like that's usually thwarts all hacking attempts because they're not there to press it and shit. You know what I'm saying? Folks complain Ledger is difficult. No one said it was easy. You know, like, hey, if you're all up in crypto, there's a learning curve with just about everything. You know how many times I'm up on YouTube looking to do stuff, learning to do stuff every single day? You know, like the market rewards people who take risk and learn first. Part of it's learning, you know, but Trezor's not that much easier. You know what I'm saying? So like learn how to use Ledger. I mean, I learned how to use it in 2016. It was hard then too. I just did it first. And then I got all up into Uniswap because I learned how to use the DEX first. And then I got the airdrop of Uni. I made a whole bunch of money. Like, you see how that goes? People who get there first make the most money. As a newbie, I don't mind which to use for HBAR and Cosmos. So I actually store my HBAR on my ledger, you know? I mean, no, Cosmos on my ledger. I don't store it on my I use Atomic Wallet for my HBAR, or Exodus actually for my HBAR. Because like if you wanted to do it, what I guess you can do Ledger with the HBAR wallet, but like I don't want to sign up and register. That's weird, you know. So I just do it on my Exodus. Just try it. Check out Exodus. I store my shit there. Have Digibyte and Voyager any way to transfer to DigiWallet? Unless you can't withdraw, you should be able to, right? You should be able to withdraw. I know you can't withdraw Digibyte right now on I've been buying it at crypto.com, but any platform that lets you withdraw, you should be able to send it to any other wallet, you know? Oh, you can't do it? You have to sell and rebuy somewhere else. Womp. Hey, how come people aren't letting you withdraw your Digibyte? Interesting. If you guys haven't seen my interview with Josiah Spackman, make sure to check that out. That was a very interesting one too. Learned a lot of stuff from Josiah, smart guy. I'm still trying to figure out how to get XRP. I can't figure out dexes. Okay, well, Jeff, oh, they don't even sell it on crypto.com now, huh? Dang, man. Yeah, learn how to use wanswap.com. No, wanswap.finance. Wanswap, you could buy it there. It's just a regulatory thing. Any like centralized exchange now in the United States or services United States customers, they're not going to be selling XRP, because of the whole lawsuit thing. So if you haven't got it already, got to learn how to use WANSwap or any other desk. Is it Bancor? Bancor. Hey, just download. Look, just go and download the WAN wallet. Download the WAN wallet. Then like inside there's a section to add dApps, and then you can add WANSwap. So you don't have to learn how to like connect up. It's there within the wallet. Try it out. 15 people is good. Dub, Digibyte is close to be out of the top 100. Thoughts? What's it doing? DGB. I mean, I don't really care about that. You know why? Because I'm all up in the altcoin forest. I'm way past 100. Digibyte, 4 cents, 4.3 cents. Yeah, I mean, look, man. Digibyte was killing it up here. Now it came down. Digibyte's moving hard. Last thing I saw move like this was Matic, man. Like big impulse like this. Matic was moving like this in 2020. It kept coming back down though. And then it took off, right? So Digibyte, we got the Gulf, right? Dubai using Digibyte. That's good. We got, who else is it? Damn, Josiah said some shit. Look at my Josiah video. But like, Digibyte is actually getting used. It's being adopted, and the Digibyte Foundation don't even know about it because it's open source and people are just using it. I think Digibyte is just gonna have like a surprise come through. Like after talking to Josiah, I really understand how open source this shit is. And it's useful, and it doesn't gouge people. It's damn near free. They're giving that shit away. So look, Digibyte reduces its supply every month. Every other coin, or a lot of other coins have a halving. Digibyte reduces by 1% a month. Digibyte is going to be not a big deal until people realize it's scarce. I'm not too concerned. It's 7 years old. It's a long-ass chain, secure-ass chain, 5 mining algorithms, decentralized in mining algorithms and mining hardware. GPU, CPU, ASICs. Like, I don't see why it would go away. It's too useful at this point, in my opinion. Dub, you're collecting a solid YouTube circle. When this thing does what we know it's going to do, we're going to link up in Puerto Rico, PR, or El Salvador somewhere. I'm preparing to be abroad next year. Dope, man. Let's do it. Let's do it. Yeah, I'm down. I'm getting some ride or dies. I like it. I like the ride or dies, man. 16 people. It's good. 13K, the measured move of a Head and Shoulders. Okay. But John, I'm not gonna like obsess over it, man. I damn near wrote down my bags 80, 95%. Nothing that can hurt me that bad right now. Like, I'm not tripping about it. I gotta move forward like a crypto warrior that I am. At a certain point, guys, like, if you're not, are you all in crypto? That's risky. Maybe you should have a bag of stables. You got a job, you got a paycheck. That's great. Like if you don't, got to be a little more cautious. But if you got a paycheck and it's not the life or death, like this is what crypto does, y'all. Goes up and down a lot. You know what I'm saying? If you're trying to hit the bottoms and tops, like, okay, well, there's better channels for you than this right here. But I'm focused on the macro trend. Macro trend, investing with the trend. Now, look at what's happening in the world right now. Fed damn near just admitted that the economy is not as hot as they said it was. And they've been saying the economy is on a comeback. They're dedicating buying $80 billion per month of equities and mortgage-backed securities. They're about to be printing. We got 65% food inflation occurring since the last year. Rents are up 30%. What does this tell you? The environment is inflationary. It's inflationary. Okay? So tell me why a dollar alternative wouldn't rise eventually in the face of a weakening dollar. This is what these traders don't tell me. They show me all these head and shoulders, but I'm talking macroeconomics. I know macroeconomics, you know? So at the end of the day, when people realize that their dollar is not going as far as it goes, they're going to try to save their purchasing power. And that's what Bitcoin is made for. 14 people, what's good? Atomic is nice for convenience, but fees though, laugh out loud. Yeah, I mean, I'm just like holding. Just holding. SAFEPAL is another cool wallet. Touchscreen with camera for around $40. Also has a sweet app, hot wallet. How long have they been around? You know, because like one of the things I really care about is like longevity of the, like, because I've seen a couple come and go, like Keep Key. Like I had a Keep Key and like it kind of started sucking on me. I don't know if they're still around. I think Voorhees bought that. Eric Voorhees, with right? Maybe. But yeah, like guys, before you buy like hardware wallets, do your due diligence on these things. But that's cool. I know there's a couple of them coming on the market. It's just that I'm so hesitant because like they're lacking one thing, which is time. You know, one mess up in their shit, like that could be the end of your crypto. So check it out, SAFEPAL. Let's see it. Check it out. That's why I only showed you guys two, because like there's only really two that I know has the longevity like that. 14 people, it's good. Always secure, protected whenever you go. Products, SAFEPAL. Oh, this is like okay, so they took the whole crypto steal thing. Okay, so that's similar. Cool. The most valued product for crypto beginners. Interesting. I haven't seen this. Leather pouch. I like that. Soft and shit. Partners. Binance, Trust Wallet, Neo, Tron, Dogecoin, Digibyte. Litecoin. Really? What was the cool wallets? Yeah, I saw one in 2018 in the Litecoin Summit, and they had like a booth. Check this out. You guys want to see another one? Cool wallets for men. Cool wallets. Just you guys have a website or what? Oh, it's just doing cool wallets. That makes sense. That makes sense. And there's coolwallets.io. I haven't used this product, but it looked pretty interesting, and I'll show you why. Okay, I understand. Cool Wallet Duo Plus, only $235. This thing is the size of a credit card. And it fits in your wallet like a credit card. It's like Bluetooth. Cool Wallets Pro Pack. Okay, can you explain what it is? Can you explain to the people what it is, guys? Let's go to the Pro. The world's most convenient Bluetooth hardware wallet, now even better. Control your assets in your hand, anywhere, anytime. Mobility encrypted Bluetooth connection for Android and iOS to enable the most convenient crypto on the go experience. Track, send, and receive. Marketplace trading feature. Wow. Powerful inside and out on top. So look, it just basically looks like this. It's like the size of a card, which I thought was really cool. It's flexible too, like a card. They got TUSD, Icon, Horizon, Gemini Dollar, a whole bunch of shit. XRP, Litecoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash. So that's another interesting one. Okay. Stop spamming me, man. 14 people is good. Just FYI. There's other ones too, but I couldn't present to you guys the ones that didn't have the history behind it. Like that'd be irresponsible of me. But there's other ones too if you guys want to look into it. What up, Shazad, Humble Nation? KuCoin has XRP too. Oh, they do? Yeah, and KuCoin doesn't even require KYC. Like you could withdraw up to 5, like the value of 5 Bitcoins per day off that shit. That's a lot. And it's like okay to use if you're a US citizen. So KuCoin, that's how I get into like, I like to get into like Asian coins. You know, they got a lot of Asian projects and stuff. I like that. Get a VPN to buy XRP on Bybit. And you can also do that too. Here's Atomic Wallet. Be Humble, yo, what's up? Strong. Dub, Humble Pay is using Digibyte for payments, transactions, and P2P rollout, and also for tokenizing assets. Yeah, yeah. So like I remember we looked at Humble Pay. They were doing they actually bought an apartment building. An apartment building in San Diego, freaking Gaslight District, and they're gonna rent it out for like people to go to venues and shit. That's pretty cool. But they're also using DigiBuy payments, transactions, P2P rollout. I talked Digi Assets and all that. Like DigiBuy has a lot of stuff going on behind the hood, right? They're gonna do a layer 2 now, issue like non-fungibles, beads, all that. Then they have an exchange for those coming out called Digi Asset X. I mean, it's covered all of my video, guys. Go look at it if you want to know the latest and greatest on DGB. Just like a lot of people don't care or know about it, which is weird because DigiByte is like, it's getting up there, like it's getting up there in years, right? And the longer the chain, the stronger and secure the chain. Maybe in 5 years, Dub, can't 8. Can't 8? Maybe in 5 years, Dub can invite us all to his yacht. Ha, ha, ha. I hate boats. I wouldn't be buying a boat, man. Wouldn't be buying a boat. Nah. Whales and shit, man. Nah, I look at it though. I look at it from the hills. I look at the ocean from the hills. Or the shore. I ain't getting a yacht. Humble is what got me in the game. Blockchain company that opened to retail investors at 0.01 par. Oh, really? That's what got you interested? Awesome. Yeah, guys. I mean, think about it. Like, I was talking to CryptoCito. I did on my last live stream in Crypto and Coffee. I've been doing a whole bunch of interviews and shit. But we talked about there's a whole niche that's unexplored, and it's security offering tokens like STOs, right? So we're all talking about decentralized projects and cryptos and this and that, but there's also a niche, and we know it's going to be coming when blockchain is more overall accepted and companies want to get in and tokenize their shares, decentralize their shares. You know, they're not going to be like, oh, SEC, we're not a security. They're going to be stepping up saying, hey, we are securities. How can we be compliant? And there's a couple platforms offering that. Like that's the reason I bring it up when you say Humble, is because eventually I think company stocks are going to be decentralized. Because why would they need, like, everything's better about decentralized platform, traded 24/7 by code, right? True price discovery. Like, it's going to happen. We got Polymath doing it. We got Ravencoin doing it. CryptoCito said another one. I timestamped that thing too, so you guys can go out and check it out. But hey, I like it. 12 people, it's good. I wish I knew about Digi and crypto in 2017. Missed all the summits and conventions. It's okay, man. It's all right. There's going to be more. There's going to be another bear market too. And you can go to them then. And then you're going to tell people, oh, I went to the DigiByte, 4th DigiByte, whatever, DigiByte Summit in 2023 or whatever. And they're going to look at you and be like, oh. The cycle repeats, man. I'm not old compared to people who got in 2011. You know, I'm older people who got in 2017. But everything's like, every cycle makes its own like class of crypto investor, you know? So like, you're not late. This thing's going to keep going even after the bull comes. Shares, real estate, ticketing. Yep. Tokenized shares, tokenized real estate, fractionalized real estate. That's going to be a big deal. That's going to be a big deal, especially if the prices of housing keeps going up because BlackRock's buying everything under the goddamn sun. Be humble. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. Thanks for supporting the channel. I never asked for money. Don't mean I don't appreciate it. Thanks for putting me up on Icon, smashing it. You guys don't got to love every goddamn investment. If they're giving you free money and free tokens on what I think is a second leg to like bull coming in the eventual months, those will probably go up, right? 1-to-1 airdrop for ICE, weekly drip on OMM, the money market on Icon, weekly drip of the balance network, which is like the yield farming thing on Icon. It's probably going to be more of them too. Icon's largely unbuilt. Clink, 14 people. It's good. Hour 9, dang, man, not bad. Okay, well, hey, I can't believe I caught up with the freaking comments already. Go look at we could do we haven't looked at news in a while. We could do that. What's happening to Cointelegraph? Oh yeah, and guys, I'm gonna be doing a HBAR video. I'm gonna try to get it done tonight. Oh man, get out of my face with this. Bot, arbitrage bot, leave. I'm trying to get it done tonight. It's a good one. There's a lot of updates I have to cover for HBAR. HBAR's been moving and shaking this whole time. I just had to take a break, man. Like I just started doing like live streams, but I'm starting to pick up the videos again. I was burnt, man. I was burnt, but now I'm back better than ever. I like it. What up, Dub? Nothing much. Nothing much. Same old, same old. You know how it is. Wearing the Litecoin shirt. You know, Cointelegraph. Let's just check it out. I like to come down here. Well, we could look at what they think I should read. Series A. Like we got all these DeFi things, raising funds and stuff. Like people say that DeFi is dead. Well, rich people don't think so. I crack myself up. Let's just go down the page here. Robinhood COO, we have enabled more women to trade crypto. That's good. I like that. I like ladies getting money. Reality show is casting crypto users locked out of their wallets. What? Shiba Inu DEX Shiba Swap surpasses 1 billion total value locked 24 hours after launch. Wow. I gotta read it, guys. What? 6 hours ago. 24 hours after launching, SHIB's new Shiba Swap DeFi platform surpasses 1 billion in total value locked and is raising fees on Ethereum's network. Damn. Doge has proven the world that even a project that started as a joke can gain value and notoriety in cryptocurrency space. That's because cryptocurrency is all about the network effect. More users, the more valuable the network. This phenom opened the door for multiple meme currencies to gain a foothold, and quick look at trending token lists on CoinMarketCap, blah, blah, blah. Shiba Swap, 1 billion worth of, okay, we know this. While many analysts thought the project would just fade away along with other meme coins that mooned and then crashed, Shiba Inu has instead emerged as a growing project complete with its own swap interface, yield farm, and budding DAO structure. I bought some SHIB on this drop, man. I just thought they might push. I think the news might push this thing to the sky. I didn't want to buy it in the sky, but I'll buy it on the ground. Know what I'm saying? When swap. ShipSwap is now live. Really? ShipSwap.com. Let's look at it. ShipSwap. I got trust issues. I don't want to press this link. Is that the real SHIB? Yes. Okay, we'll press it. ShipSwap, dig, fetch, bury, swap. Bonefolio? That sounds nasty. Woof. I'm not going to connect, but that's interesting, guys. That's crazy. Hey, someone gets rich every day in crypto, huh? Looks like it. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? What else? What else we got? Former CFTC chair explains why regulators should approve a Bitcoin ETF. Really? Now the government wants a Bitcoin ETF. They've been hating on Bitcoin. A Bitcoin ETF would be a way for retail investors to invest in cryptocurrencies without having to actually purchase it and deal with the complexities of custody. Yeah. Right from their brokerage account. Right from their 401ks. That would be a big deal. Argentine lawmaker introduces bill for workers to be paid in crypto. I gotta read it. 18 people, it's good. The proposal may help Argentinians in the export business avoid heavy taxes from foreign currency payments. A member of the lower house of the Argentine National Congress has introduced a legislation that would allow certain workers in the country to receive some or all of their salary in crypto. We got Florida doing that, or Miami doing that. Isn't Texas trying to work out Bitcoin payments? We got We got a legal tender in El Salvador. Mexico's like, hey, El Salvador, we want to do it too. Now we got Argentina. I don't know. Don't sound very bearish to me. The idea is that workers can strengthen their autonomy and retain the purchasing power of their remuneration. Sorry, I don't know. Said Ramon. This initiative stems from the need to promote greater autonomy and governance of wages, without this implying a loss of rights or exposure to situations of abuse within framework. Okay, what the hell does that even mean? Okay, very good. We know what they're saying. 19 people, what's up? Let's just get through this page. China, their digital yuan, they're recruiting 300 new digital yuan users each month. China proves Bitcoin is an unstoppable machine. Bitcoin Center founder. Yeah, China's trying to stop it. They can't even. Boston Celtics basketball team joins fan token platform. Harmony One Tierra DeFi partnership. Visa reports over 1 billion crypto spending in H1 2021. Guys, like Bank of Jamaica to begin digital currency pilot in August. Wow, guys. They told you Bitcoin's dying, huh? They told you Bitcoin was going to die. That's funny. It's not what the news says. NASDAQ chairman said the exact same thing. All securities could already be tokenized in 5 years. All securities will be tokenized. I still like the blue in your previous logo. Yeah. But sometimes you got to switch it up, man. Sometimes you got to switch it up. You know? It wasn't very, like, brandable. You know? We'll see how this goes. Do you think Cosmos could hit 10 or lower again? It could. But with Gravity Dex coming, that's like a big deal. It's like it's a decentralized DEX, and Cosmos gets more hype than most of the interoperability projects. Like versus Icon or a WAN swap. It's not the first like multi-chain DEX. I mean, obviously WAN swap is there. WAN swap's more developed, way more developed than Balance Network, to be honest. But hey, Cosmos, it looks polished, and it's gonna have deep liquidity. So if that happens, and it's a good thing for crypto at large, I don't know if it will, but it could. Let's see what it looks like. What's it doing? I mean, you picked it up at what, 8? That was a good pickup. $12. It did like a double bottom thing right off of here, off of this, like, takeoff point. It could come back down. I mean, the volume's not setting the world on fire, but I also kind of see this is not a good chart, but like make a case for an inverse head and shoulders. But who cares? What's $2.60 between friends? You know what I'm saying? Not a big deal. Million token large. Large? I'm not seeing it on CoinMarketCap, my bad. Be humble, you watching Gabby Thomas in the Olympics right now? Yo, Dub, I'm on a huge hunt for the blockchain video game. Solana Vibe, Decentraland NFT market is essentially overloaded with gems. Waiting for the pack like LaMelo Ball NFT. Yeah, hey, I'll tell you guys what. Only 16 people on the stream. I'm gonna give you a gem. Why? Because I'm the people's champ. I'm gonna show you what's up. DubDigital, what is the best video game in blockchain? What's gonna be the killer video game? Stick around, guys. As soon as I stop typing so slow. You guys ever heard of Star Atlas on Solana? Ever heard of that? Your interstellar adventure awaits. Make sure to sign up, guys. If you ever go to like these new projects and they have a newsletter or something, always put your email in here. I mean, you can come back and remember it, but you probably won't, and you'll forget. And then you forget, and the price will go up. You're like, oh damn, I forgot. I should have bought it. Just put your email in here. It'll come right to your inbox. Like, come on. This thing is basically like, let me read it. A grand strategy game of space exploration, territorial conquest, political domination, and more. Star Atlas is a massively multiplayer online metaverse. In the distant future, 3 galactic factions have emerged in an ongoing struggle for resources, territorial conquest, and political domination. Players can join a faction, directly influence the course of the metaverse, and earn real-world income for their contributions. Some of the graphics on this and the designs on this stuff is crazy. Deep space exploration, faction security zones, combat, station modular construction, economics. This is cool. Players can extract in-game virtual earnings into real-world income with complete support from a decentralized player-driven economy. Decentralized autonomous corporations, in-game creative factions allow players to compete collectively, combine resources, self-govern, and manage their own microeconomy. Professions. You could freaking have a job in here. Crew and ship component outfitting. Guys, this is the bomb. And a lot of smart people in crypto think so too. I'm not going to tell you who. True asset ownership within a real-world economy. The metaverse offers unique gaming experience by combining blockchain mechanics and traditional game mechanics. All assets in the metaverse are directly owned by players and can be traded on the marketplace or exchanged on another cryptocurrency network. There's 2 tokens, the Polis token and the Atlas token. One is for governance, one is for spending within the ecosystem. What do you guys think? Partners, Solana, Serum, Stardust. So this thing's run on Solana. It's like great graphics, right? Supposedly great graphics. Yeah, where is the freaking art? Atlas Twitter. They had like some cool art up on here. Make sure to follow them too. I'm not following them. What the hell? That's crazy. No, this ain't Star Atlas. Who's that? Okay, I am following him. I almost followed a weirdo. Okay, 50 people. What's up? End of the first, Neil Armstrong, Space Force meta poster. And they're doing these meta posters, which is kind of cool. They're like NFTs. And this is they're just giving glimpses of the art, right? The concepts that they're going to be seeing in this game. Awesome. Look at this shit. Look at that. If you guys like Gundam Wing, you guys watch Gundam Wing, I'm an anime freak. Gundam Wing's tight. It's like Gundam Wing shit, man. What do you guys think? Whoa. Is that a robot? I like it. That's creepy, actually. Nah. Let's stop it. Let's stop it here. It's getting weird. 18 people, what's up? Get me Lego. Gabby for the win. She will be getting my support. XCC, baby. Yeah, we looked at it earlier, man. Isn't it Solana owned 70% by a few founders, whales? Where's the decentralization? It's a video game. Like, it's video games, man. Like, look, guys. This is like... Okay, let's talk about it. Everything isn't just money now. You guys understand that, right? There's different use cases for blockchains. Okay? Like, I think Solana has some of the coolest games out there. Right? Games. Blockchain games. I'm not sitting here saying it needs to be just like hard money. You know what I'm saying? Because last time I checked, Ethereum don't even got games like that. How are you going to run a games like that on Ethereum? You got to have a layer 2. Layer 2 or a lot of money. Bitcoin can't do it. Digibyte ain't doing games. You know what I'm saying? Like, expand the mind for the use case. Didn't that game look freaking dope as hell? No? I like it. I think people will play that. I don't know. Dang, guys, I ain't got no more comments. I'm gonna chill out for a little bit longer, and then I'm gonna go finish that H bar video. Let me know. Let me know. Oh wait, hold up. I guess I could wait, but I could also go back and check out Cointelegraph. 1 second. Policy and regulation. Share it. Damn. What's going on here? Yeah, we talked this. Robinhood. Robinhood's cash cow under SEC scrutiny. Who cares? Iran pauses electricity support due to crypto mining in hot summer. What? Oh, electricity exports. Hey, whatever. People want air conditioning and people want crypto. Come on, Iran. You knew about this, man. You had one job. Russian lawmakers prepare legal amendments to confiscate crypto. Haters. 22 people, what's up? Compliance is a journey, says Binance CEO amid regulatory scrutiny. CZ, dude. Playing the United States. He's got the best law team in the world. They're like, hey, what country you're operating in? He's like, I operate on the internet. I don't have a country. Like, see, he's been playing mad games. The United States was like, hey, you can't let like U.S. citizens use your service. He's like, oh, okay. And then he was letting us use it for like 2 years. What a troll. Pro-crypto Congress person stacks anti-crypto Congress person receives $100K from TradeFi. Alabama Representative Barry Moore has snapped up ETH, ADA, and Doge over the past 2 months, but his holdings have taken a significant hit amid the crypto downturn. Sounds like he's mad he got wrecked. Welcome, Barry. Welcome. Come on over. We all get wrecked at some point. Chinese bank tells staff to recruit up to 300 new digital yuan users each. 6 of China's top banks have tasked their employees with promoting digital yuan wallets to 200 to 300 people a year. That's it? That's just like 1,200 people a year. That's going to take a long time, right? China has a whole bunch of people in it. I don't know. 21 people, it's good. Breaking. Binance suspends Euro bank transfers amid regulatory heat. Yeah, they're talking about Barclays, right? You know, Barclays did some shit. Like, they didn't let funds go over to Binance, and now it's a big deal. Okay, that's not the first time it's happened, though. JP Morgan back in 2017 wasn't letting people get money to Coinbase. And now they let them do it. And now they have an indirect Bitcoin fund. They hold MicroStrategy and Tesla because they hold a lot of Bitcoin. So things can change, guys. It's not the end-all, be-all. For mining the software, China's regulatory crackdown on crypto continues. Whatever. They do this every other cycle. Class action lawsuit against Binance targets exchange futures trading. Breaking. U.S. financial regulator FinCEN hires its first ever chief digital currency advisor. Michael Corver has been involved in crypto-focused anti-money laundering operations since early 2013. Dang. So why would they hire an advisor on crypto if they were just going to make it illegal? It's a good question, huh? Censorship resistant. Hong Kong's Apple Daily Archives preserves. Okay, I don't know what this means. I don't care about that. Okay, whatever. China, whatever. Bybit crypto exchange to impose KYC rules. Can't believe they don't have it yet. Investors stay clear. UBS warns regulators could pop bubble like crypto markets. UBS has joined the phalanx of banks expressing concern over their customers investing in digital assets. They're not concerned for you. They're concerned for them. I like it when they sweat. Barclays tells cardholders it's stopping payments to Binance. Yeah, the British multinational bank has informed customers it is no longer facilitating payments made to crypto exchange, confirming reports from users over the last week. 23 people, what's good? Oh, Vietnam don't give a shit. Vietnam's PM asked, or Prime Minister, if you guys don't know, asked State Bank to trial digital currency on the blockchain. Vietnamese news outlets have reported that the country's Prime Minister, I'm not going to say it, no offense, has tasked the State Bank of Vietnam with studying and conducting a pilot for a digital currency. Philippine Stock Exchange wants to launch local crypto markets first. Philippine Stock Exchange is waiting for local SEC to issue guidelines for crypto trading. Asia doesn't give a shit. Asia doesn't give a shit, okay? Look, the West is freaking out, tripping, whatever. Asia's like, we like this shit. Thailand likes crypto. Japan likes crypto. China likes crypto sometimes, but they have their national blockchain system, so I don't know what the hell they're talking about. They're using Tezos, Cosmos, Quark Chain, and a couple others. Vietnam, Singapore, they love crypto. Vietnam and Singapore got Tomo Chain. Singapore got a whole bunch of projects. Was it Hot or Contentos out of Japan? Like, guys, come on, man. Like, just because the United States or Europe a little hesitant about it, most of the people in the world live in Asia. You guys know that, right? You gotta separate yourself. Like, the United States is falling from grace right now, no offense. They are. China, Asia, like, they're up and coming. Emerging markets are like getting more and more money, right? Especially if the world reserve currency continues to hyperinflate and go into hard assets, because who owns hard assets? BRICS nations and Asian countries. Who are the biggest importers of gold right now? Who is the biggest producer of gold? China. They nationalize all their gold and buy more. Historically, culturally speaking, India too. And Russia does a lot of it too. If the dollar gets weaker, hard cap assets rise in dollar value. The United States continues to print their money, and they just make the price of China, Russia, India's, Iran stuff go up. Transition to power, guys. This is a global economic thing going on. This is a big deal. Wyoming legally recognizes the first DAO in the United States. Wyoming is further solidifying its position as the most crypto-friendly state in North America. I gotta read it. The crypto-friendly state of Wyoming has approved the first legally recognized decentralized autonomous organization, or DAO, in the United States. The American Crypto Fed DAO received notice from the Wyoming Secretary of State office on Tuesday recognizing it is a legal entity, according to a Sunday announcement. Wyoming is the leading digital asset jurisdiction in the USA. And now with this DAO law, Wyoming is arguably the top blockchain jurisdiction in the world. What this means is it's creating a true digital currency with mass acceptance is now possible. Doesn't this run on EOS? I thought it ran on EOS. I mean, guys, come on. How far I gotta go? You want more? You can get more. Right? You can get more. All this shit sounds pretty bullish to me fundamentally. Proposed ban in Iran could ban all foreign mined cryptocurrencies. Lawmakers seem to be attempting to establish a legal framework behind a central bank of Iran. Decisions for people to only use crypto from state licensed mining operations for payment. Are they banning crypto, guys? No. They're saying you can use crypto as long as it's mined here. I can't even believe what I'm freaking reading right now. You guys know in 2013, a lot of people weren't around in 2013. I'll tell you what's up. In 2013, you couldn't even get a lawmaker to say the word Bitcoin. And every time you say Bitcoin, people laugh at you. I had people in my own damn family laughing at me. It was a joke and a half. It was a World of Warcraft money. And then Silk Road happened and everyone said, oh, this is for drug dealers. It was a joke. Tim Draper came through, bought up all those Silk Road Bitcoins off of the freaking feds. Now he's a freaking billionaire or whatever. Okay. Then, no, was it Mt. Gox before or after? Mt. Gox happens, blows up, Bitcoin's dead. No. Then Mt. Gox actually finally settles and sells all their Bitcoin, dumping the price. It's not dead. How many times is Bitcoin gonna die, guys? Like, people say Bitcoin's gonna die like it's the first time I heard this. I've been seeing this for what? How long? I don't even know. 7 years? 7 years. I don't know what to tell these people, man. You try to tell them, they just don't know the history. They think it's the first time shit's happened. It's not. Crypto ownership has nothing to do with distrust in fiat. Biz study. Okay. Cryptocurrency owners are generally more educated than the average, according to a new study by the Bank of International Settlements. That makes sense, right? It makes sense. Zappos co-founder gets regulators green light for new crypto startup. Liechtenstein's Financial Market Authority has approved a new startup called Lyrium, which is founded by Zappos co-founder and aims to streamline the integration of crypto services by banks and fintech. Huobi imposes 24-hour crypto withdrawal delay on dampened speculation. Okay, whatever. Thai and Cayman Islands regulators take action on Binance. Okay, no one stopped CZ yet. CZ's slick as a freaking fox, man. Wow, that's weird. I'm not going to say the word, but you see that one. That's crazy. VeChain doing that. I'm not going to say that either because I get banned. U.S. State Department urges El Salvador to be responsible about Bitcoin adoption. Hey, Uncle Sam is a hater and a half, man. Guys, it's threatening the world reserve currency. Dollar alternatives are bad to America because America likes being the big dog, being able to print their money. I mean, why work for your money when you could just print it, right? But anything that threatens you to be able to do that, it's bad. They're throwing shade on Bitcoin for no damn reason. El Salvador is its own freaking sovereign entity. They're their own country. They can do whatever they want. The United States was taking a tough look at Bitcoin, following a major ransomware attack that suggested El Salvador take a similar approach. Oh, okay. You're acting like they're not grown-ups. You're acting like they're not adults. They can't make their own freaking decisions for themselves. They're trying to influence El Salvador. I'm sure they're telling them, like, hey, you better stop Bitcoin adoption in your country, or you might not be able to trade on here or there. That's what happens, guys. It's called economic warfare, right? That's why Russia's doesn't like the SWIFT system. The SWIFT system is the international payments. It's owned by the United States. It's like a remittance, right? Like back and forth between countries, big transactions and stuff. When typically you do something that the United States doesn't do, they sanction you. They sanction Iran a lot. They sanction Russia a lot. So on and so forth. China doesn't really care because they have a separate monetary system and they have their own trade routes. Russia and China have got together over the years, making the Belt and Road Initiative, where they set up an alternative trade system. So countries that are sanctioned or whatever, they can do business with them. But hey, just goes to show you, this has nothing to do with America. It's El Salvador, right? Just saying. I'm talking a lot. What's up? Oh yeah. I guess Decentraland is also a good game. But I'm talking Star Atlas was this space game. That's cool. 21 people is good. What's up? What's up? How you been? Hell yeah, Dub Golden Gundam. Think I'm gonna check that out. You had mentioned it in passing. Huge digital real estate. Speaking of intergalactic adventure in your DGB video. Yeah, man. Check it out. China is closing down shop for outsiders. Smile. Hey. Your content is getting to be the best on the internet. What are your thoughts on DCR? I did DCR, like I did one video just on my altcoin gem playlist. DCR took off that next day, which is wild. I made that video at like $11. Then it blew up. I was like, oh shit. My time is getting better. I really wasn't expecting it like that. Let's see. More or less a fluke though, guys. To be quite honest. I just know general directions, right? Yeah, I did it like right here. $11, $12. Then it took off at the highest point. 234 cents. It came back down. We got some serious volume coming in here though. Right? Got some serious volume coming here, so people are catching it. It could come back down some more, to be honest, but hey, this thing has 21 mil, same supply as Bitcoin. If you guys haven't watched my video on Decred, I covered it pretty well. It has like a POS system, like a lottery ticket system, and then also like POW too. It's a fork of Bitcoin. And then like one thing I really like about DCR though, guys, is that its wallet, it has like its own like swap inside the wallet and its own mixer inside the wallet. So you can get rid of like transaction history. That's a little hey, it's in there. But also you can like swap via atomic swaps. Okay, so what that means is I think it's just for UTXO based blockchains. So DigiByte, it doesn't do DigiByte, but you could theoretically do it. You guys should probably get all up in that DGB, probably get all up in the DCR like swap thing. Does it by atomic swap, so you can basically swap in and out from your wallet to another wallet just like that. You don't need no kind of like anything. It's crazy. But you could swap between Monero, Bitcoin, DCR. There's always going to be a function for that. If you got some Bitcoin and they crack down on you, hey, go download that wallet. Get us some Monero. I didn't say it. Not financial advice. That was just for satire and entertainment purposes only. Disclaimer. 19 people, what's up? Digital real estate at this point is just a concept. Digital asset data are all commodities. A video game is a perfect showcase of this. Digital real estate is just a concept. Digital asset data are all commodities. I'm not sure I quite understand what you're saying. I mean, digital real estate, I mean, when they say that in the real world, that would just be a digital deed. Splitting that deed between what? 10, 100, 1,000 people. But in terms of like digital real estate in game, it's going to be a thing when VR and AR start, virtual reality and augmented reality really starts to come into the fold, you know? Like, then people are going to understand what that means. Because, like, look, you look at real estate and billboards by the highway command more price compared to billboards out in the middle of nowhere. Reason being is it gets more foot traffic. It's advertising space. It's better prime advertising space. So say, down here in Cali, Sunset Boulevard, very iconic spot. Lots of people go there just to hang out, whatever, drive the strip, right? That's going to command a lot of price. But imagine a virtual land that the whole world passes and can see. How much will that land cost? Granted that, that whole ecosystem catches traction, but assume it does. Wouldn't it be way more valuable than a physical spot? Just because people can't physically be in Sunset Boulevard, but they could virtually be in Decentraland. I always thought it was a cash cow for advertising. 21 people, it's good. Looking forward to your H-bar video. Yeah, man. I mean, I gotta finish it after this. This is a long ass one, but it's gonna be good. I like it. I'm not even done with it. I like it. EOS Wyoming, my G. Hey, show does. Does Wyoming have Latinos? I'm sure. I'm sure. Why? Are you Latino or you like that? Someone hook the homie up. Bullish, is that about the Dow in the US? Not sure. Oh, yeah. I'm pretty sure like EOS forwarded me some stuff on Twitter. I think it was the EOS Dow. I'm surprised they didn't say what it was in the article though. Beaches or tropical weather? Be humble, you already know. The pack for the win. I picked it up. People I respect said grab it. EOS. Hey. So guys, also so you know, I'm going to be doing an EOS video pretty soon here. Reason being is Bullish Global should be going online pretty soon here, right? I've been hearing like a July launch. So I want to get that video out before then. But Bullish Global should bring a lot more attention to EOS. I mean, Novogratz, Galaxy Digital, right? Peter Thiel. It's PayPal, right? Those are big dudes, man. I went so hard in an icon. This is not over, y'all, the way Dub talks about South Korea carrying the market up 20% this week. I mean, and look, and it's not a bad spot to pick it up at. Icon? It's looking like WAN chain. It's what, 80 cents? It went from $2.20 to like 80 cents, even less. So like, while like, look, the airdrops make it better. In case it doesn't take off right away, you're still getting compensated new coins. And that snapshot's still coming for ICE, 1-to-1. You know, like I'm still waiting for my freaking flare drop to come through, or spark, or whatever the hell it's called. I like free coins. I got hooked on Uniswap. I got hooked. I like it. Bullish Global this month too, bro. Gonna be good. Oh yeah. EOS and American Dow. Yeah, buddy. Dub, aka poor man's Ben Simmons. Hey, screw Ben Simmons, man. I've been around before Ben Simmons, bro. Before, and I got a better jumper. Ask him. Ask the fool. Let's see. Don't do it, Dub, like that. His jumper got to be better than Ben Simmons. See? Hey, I get it all the time. I get Ben Simmons. I get Steph Curry. I get Drake sometimes. I get Egyptian. I basically get every light-skinned person. I don't know if it's true or I should be offended. You want to see my light-skinned face? No, I'm not going to show you right now. Y'all got to hit me with super chats for that shit. 21 people, what's good? All right, guys, it's been fun. I got to get back on the H-bar video. I do this. This is crypto kickback. I got to do crypto kickback. No, I was reading a comment. This is crypto kickback. I do this every 5 p.m. on Wednesdays, Pacific Standard Time. I also do a live stream on Sundays, 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. I'm trying to up the video production. Want to grow the channel. Want to get bigger. I got big as hell. But until next time, guys, it's been fun. Watch out for that H-bar video. That should be coming pretty soon. And we'll try to knock it out tonight. I'm like halfway done. So it might be later. But until next time, guys, talk to you later. Peace.